Hey guys, it's Josh. I'm back in the kitchen today and I'm going to show you how to make the easiest guacamole there is. So avocados are some of the best fruit on the planet. They're high in fiber, potassium, magnesium, and monounsaturated fat. So they're really the perfect thing to add to your diet. And when you pair this with some sweet peppers, it's really the perfect healthy choice. The sweet peppers are particularly high in antioxidants and rich in vitamin C. One whole pepper can actually have more than 300% of your daily intake of vitamin C. And with the avocado, it adds a healthy fat and fibers, and while keeping this whole snack under 200 calories. So the list for this is super simple. All you're going to need is a ripe avocado, an onion, and a hot pepper. Now, if you don't want it spicy, it's perfectly fine to skip the hot pepper altogether. As far as the avocado goes, just make sure that it's plenty ripe for this recipe. Otherwise, it can be a little difficult. To tell if an avocado is ripe, you should look at the color of the skin. Generally, the darker the color, the more ripe the avocado is. And if you grab the avocado and put some slight pressure on it, the skin should give a little bit. If you press on the avocado and it's still really firm, that means it's probably not ripe enough yet. The onion doesn't really matter. Personally, I like to use Vidalia onions. I like the sweet flavor and I use them for almost everything. I have a jalapeno pepper, but any pepper can work. I'm a plant guy, so I always try to see if I can get these to sprout. I have a few of them going right now, but they take forever. So to get this out, I like to make some slits down the avocado like this. And you can just kind of scoop the avocado right out. And I'm going to do the same thing to this one. This just helps it come out a little easier. So once your avocado's in your bowl, you're going to want to grab a fork and kind of smash it up a little bit. Now you can kind of play with how chunky you want the final product to be, but I generally like it a little bit smoother, so I like to get this pretty smashed up and get rid of those big pieces. You're going to take your onion and you're going to chop it up into about centimeter sized pieces and go ahead and throw this in your bowl too. Now, if you are going to use a pepper, I suggest chopping it up slightly smaller than your onion, and then you can go ahead and toss that in your bowl too. Now, if you're in a hurry, you can totally make this exactly how it is with just those 3 ingredients, but I like to add a little bit of seasoning. So you can do some salt or pepper. You can even throw in some fresh cilantro. And now that everything's in your bowl, you're going to want to go ahead and mix it all up. Stir the onion and the pepper into the avocado until everything's pretty blended. And there you go, a simple, quick guac that you can prep in no time. So I love guacamole. I could probably put this on anything. It's good on chips, sandwiches, rice cakes, salads, and obviously tacos. Let me know in the comments what you love to put guacamole on. So if you liked that video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out the rest of my healthy snacks videos where I go over quite a few different snacks that are actually good for you.